welcome to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos. So today I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to do a Easter shirt for my daughter, but I just wanted to show you about that if you start working on an embroidery design, you can easily stop where you're at, turn the machine off, and if you need to pick up tomorrow to start over, you can do that as well. And I'm also going to show you how to thread the PE800 machine, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm keeping my tension. I always keep my tension at 2.6, okay? And right now I'm just getting the shirt ready. I use 2 tearaways for my shirts all the time, because in the past I would use one and it just did not work out well. So I'm using 2 tearaways, and you'll see how I embroider. Okay, so in this part, I did a little error. I didn't put the fabric all the way up to cover the whole the initial stitch. So I stopped the needle, and I'm gonna show you how to go back a couple of stitches so you can fix the error. So I'm pointing out the error that I did right there, and it's just to demonstrate, you know, that you can go back when you make a mistake. You don't have to say, oh, I made a mistake, I have to throw this shirt out. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that. Okay, all right, so to go back, you're gonna go to the screen and you're gonna look for the minus and plus. You press on it, and you can go back as many stitches as you want. So you're gonna go negative because you want to go back. So I did -10, and I'm gonna show you that your needle moves a different position, so it's going back. So I want to go back a little bit more so I have enough space. Okay, and if you want to go back, you can keep going like 100. You can just keep going. You can take it little by little and just keep pressing -10, or you can do by -100. So that's pretty much how you do it, and then you can just start your stitch. You can start your stitch like brand new. So now I'm going to show you how to stop your machine if you want to start off tomorrow. You just don't want to finish the design today. So I'm at number 4 out of 10 steps on the top of the screen where I'm pointing. And I am going to remember that, or you don't really have to remember it, but you want to remember it. So when you turn the machine on, you know that, okay, number 4 is where I left off. So I am going to turn off the machine. It's completely off. So now, let's say you get a cup of coffee, it's the next day, and you're ready to start finishing that shirt that you didn't get to finish the day before. So I turn the machine on. Okay. I forgot to lift the foot up. And now it's telling me to resume my previous memory. So I say, okay. And I'm back at 4.